Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dell laptop. Before we begin, it's crucial to back up all your important files and data to an external drive or cloud service. This step is vital to prevent any data loss. Also, make sure your laptop is plugged into a power source to avoid any interruptions during the process. We'll cover two main reset options: keeping your files or removing everything, so you can choose the best path for your needs. To start the reset process, first navigate to the Windows Start menu, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select Settings, which looks like a gear icon. Once the Settings window opens, click on Update and Security. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Choose Recovery. Finally, under the Reset This PC section, click the Get Started button to proceed with the reset options. Now, you'll be presented with two important choices. You can select Keep My Files if you want to reinstall Windows but retain your personal documents and settings. This is often suitable for troubleshooting. Alternatively, choose Remove Everything for a complete data wipe, which is ideal if you're selling the laptop or need a fresh start. If you pick Remove Everything, you'll then decide whether to simply remove files or thoroughly clean the drive, which takes longer but is more secure. Once you've made your selections, confirm them and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the reset. Be aware that this process can take a significant amount of time, ranging from 20 minutes to several hours, depending on your chosen options and the speed of your system. Your Dell laptop will restart multiple times throughout this period. After the reset is complete, you will need to go through the initial Windows setup again and reinstall any applications you wish to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.